Hey there, and welcome to this demo of KiddoCraftAI, the all-in-one tool that makes designing kids' products, both physical and digital, super fun, super easy, and unbelievably fast. With just this one tool, you can bring your creative ideas to life in minutes. Alright, let's dive in. Here we are on the dashboard. As you can see, you can start designing right away by choosing from the ready-made categories here, or simply clicking Create Design. Now this is where the magic begins. KiddoCraftAI gives you tons of categories to work with. Whether you want to create offline products like logos, packaging, and branding, or digital products like coloring books and printables, everything's already set up for you. For this demo, let's pick branding and identity, and then choose the design type Toy Store logo. Let's say I want to create a logo for my client's toy shop. All I need to do is describe exactly what I want: the colors, style, mood, and any elements I'd like included. The more detail I give, the better the results will be. Once that's done, I just click Generate Design, wait a few seconds, and boom! KiddoCraftAI gives me 4 unique logo variations to choose from. Not a fan of one of them? No problem. Just hit Regenerate and you'll get fresh new options in seconds. You can also tweak the canvas settings to adjust image size, then save your design with a click on Save Design. Later, you can always find your saved work under My Designs. When you're ready to use it, simply export your design in PNG, JPG, or PDF format. Rename the file, choose the format, hit Export Design, and you've got a professional quality logo ready to go. Pretty cool, right? That was an example of designing something for an offline business. But now, let's take a look at how you can create digital products you can actually sell online. Let's scroll down to Digital Printables and pick the design type Superhero Coloring Book. Again, I'll type in detailed instructions for the design I want. Just like before, the more specific I am, the better the results. Hit Generate Design, and in seconds I've got my coloring book pages. Oh wait, since this is a coloring book, we actually want the designs to be black and white so kids can color them in. No worries, I'll just refine my instructions and regenerate. And there we go, perfect superhero-themed coloring pages ready in no time. And of course, I can save the file, give it a name, and export it to start selling right away. That's how simple it is with KiddoCraftAI. From professional logos to market-ready printables, you can create stunning kids' products without needing any design skills at all. So why wait? Start designing smarter, faster, and easier today with KiddoCraftAI. Click the link below and grab your access now. Your next best-selling kids product is just one click away.